Hello everyone, my name is Kushal and today we are going to discuss about the polymorphism in Python. So polymorphism, poly means many and morph means form. So one name but multiple forms is the concept of polymorphism. And in the polymorphism we will see the overloading and overriding. So start with our first concept, that is overloading. So there are two types in overloading. One is operator overloading and another is method overloading. So what is operator overloading? Uh, Same operator with different time, different behavior is the concept of operator overloading. And this operator overloading is possible by dunder or magical method. There are what is magical method? If you ask, then magical methods are some methods which are already defined in Python. There are lots of magical method. You just Google all of them through the internet. Once you will know each and every method. So I just define one class here, and inside the I use one constructor and pass some variable here. Suppose if I want to compare the marks of two student, self dot marks is equal to marks, and then I write one magical method here. Suppose I guess less than, I use LT standing for less than, and here again I have to use variable to compare the second number. The self dot marks here check whether it is less than the other marks. So first parameter less than second parameter check, we have to check. So I just create a first object here and pass some value, that is marks of a student. Here I write 85, and then again create another object and pass the mark of student here 60, and if I print whether A is less than B or not, then here it will give me the output as false. So what happened here, it will just check the marks of two student by using the inbuilt LT method, that is less than method, and it will give me the boolean output. So there are a lot of magical method in Python. uh, for greater than we have to use GT. There is also less than equal to, that is LTE, greater than equal to GTE, then add, sum, not sum, add. If I want to print some string, then there is also str method, which is already in Python. So these are all different magical methods in Python, and all comes in operator overloading. So this is all about the operator overloading. Now let's talk about the method overloading. So what is method overloading? Uh, in method overloading, all the methods should have same name but having different number of arguments. Actually in Python there is no any concept of method overloading. Actually Python didn't support method overloading. Why it doesn't support method overloading? Because Python is a dynamically typed programming language, and here there is no need to write different type of argument. Here we can able to pass any type of argument. Therefore this Python does not support the method overloading concept. I just take one here example. Suppose I define class A here, and inside that I just define our first method and pass a single argument here. I just pass here single argument, and I just print here one argument, and then again I write the next method, and I pass two argument here, and I print here two argument as a output. So now if I want to call the method, I just create one object and call our method. Sorry, here m1, because all the methods have same name in method overloading. Now I just call m1 and pass only one variable here. So what happen if I pass only one variable here? It will just give me the error that missing one required positional argument y. So what happened here? Python will execute line by line coding. That's why it just take the m1 method, that is which is the latest method. So it will consider this m1 method, and in this m1 method there are two different arguments x and y. So that's why uh, here it required two arguments to run this method, and if I provide two argument and if I then run it, then it will give me the output, that is two argument here. So here what happen, all the methods have same name but may have different argument. So to but Python will only run the latest method, and that's why in Python there is no such type of method overloading concept, as Python is dynamically typed programming language, as I already told you, and there is no need to write different type of argument. We can pass any type of argument in Python, and that's why this method overloading concept is not valid in Python. So this is all about the polymorphism. It means this is all about the overloading concept in polymorphism, in which we discuss two different types, that is operator overloading, which is possible by using the magical methods. Here I take one example of less than method, and here the another concept, that is nothing but the method overloading concept. So I hope that you will enjoy this. Thank you.